Hello and welcome to the Northern Dalek YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video. First things first, I've already opened one of these packages on Thursday. I was working quite late and I was incredibly tired and frustrated that I got stuck on the M1. I was planning on having it in the video as like the unboxing, but I was so like impatient and I just wanted to open it because I've always wanted one of these, and it is the Product Enterprise Movie Daleks. These go for a pretty penny online. It works, I've tested it out, but I've always wanted one of these. Yeah, it is now one of, if not the centre of my collection. It is a beautiful piece and I'm so incredibly happy to actually own one of these. Like I say, I've always wanted one since the age of like 7. So that was the first thing I received. I don't know what I've ordered, honestly, I really don't, so it's going to be a nice surprise, I guess, but I'm just going to pop this down here. I'll start with this here, which is the smallest thing I have. Obviously I'm not going to show my address, so here we go. Should really do it up here so you can actually see. And hey, I'm kind of weird and I love keychains and stuff, like metal ones, and I don't have a Dalek one yet, so I really wanted one. So now I just want to say I haven't been uploading to my Instagram or anything, and that's just mainly due to the fact that I've been quite busy with work. I just really haven't been interested in uploading to my Instagram or here, but I do have a few ideas planned. So anyway, next parcel, and it is right, this isn't Doctor Who related, but man, I was a huge Lego collector back in the day, and my favourite was Bionicle. And this year Lego made a gift with purchase set, and it was themed around Bionicle, and well, here it is. So this is Tahu, and you do get Takua, but yeah, genuinely one of the greatest Lego themes of all time. So they've set it up like the original 2001 canisters as well, like with the art and how he's displayed, so very nostalgic. So letter of sorts. It's not really a letter, is it? It's an envelope from Amazon. That didn't work. I'm just gonna move all this shit. It is the season 23 box set. Now I know that Classic Who and everything is on BBC iPlayer now. I am a person who prefers physical media and stuff like that, and I was collecting these anyway. I do go for the standard editions, not the limited edition ones, because I'm really fussy about the like sizes of Blu-ray like boxes and stuff. Limited edition boxes are quite bigger and whatnot, and they take up a shit ton of space. So yeah, I had to go with the standard edition, which I'm glad on one hand because it definitely caters more to my Blu-ray collection, but on the other hand, they are like quite far behind in terms of how many they've got to release. Here, now I have a suspicion or an idea of what this one is. I think, yeah, I was saying earlier that I have ideas and plans for the channel, like in terms of like other videos and stuff like that. It's just a matter of finding time with like work and whatnot. But yeah, yes, right, so here it is. Make of it what you will, but I'm a massive Transformers fan, and Rise of the Beasts did not disappoint. Again, it's a Blu-ray because I only buy Blu-rays, I don't buy DVDs. I love all the extra stuff, and yeah, like I say, I actually love this one. I love it so much. I know it's not like the best thing in the world and it could have been better, sure, but this is just, this did everything for me. So yeah, pretty glad to now own it. Right, so we're down to our last two parcels now. Got another Amazon parcel. It's easy as that. I've got two things in here. I've got another collection set, and I've got season 19. I'm going to say this now, I do not like the Fifth Doctor, or his era. He's definitely one of like my bottom two. The only one that I'm missing now is Tom's Last Season. That's the only one that I'm missing, but I am gonna get that for Christmas, so that's the only reason why I haven't bought it now. Right, so this was a, I don't know, one of those like buys that I wasn't like, I need it but I'd like it. I've seen reviews and I kind of like that. Is this, which again is from Transformers Rise of the Beasts. It is Noah Diaz when he gets his exosuit in the movie, which is a reference to the 1986 Transformers the movie. Little tiny little thing, but it's full of articulation, and I thought, why not? And finally, it doesn't show anything off, like a dress or anything, but I also want to make it as half decent of unboxings as possible. Right, okay. So here is the other Doctor Who thing, or the last thing, and it is a Product Enterprise Roll-O-Matic, I think they were called, 3-pack, based around Resurrection of the Daleks. I mainly wanted it just for the Supreme, but I had some of these when I was younger, when I was getting into like really collecting stuff, and Product Enterprise would pop up, and I thought that those look amazing, I need them. And I absolutely love these Daleks. As much as I love character options, I personally have such a love and fondness for Product Enterprise. Yeah, so you get 3 separate Daleks in a 3-pack. Now I don't think these ones talk. As far as I'm aware, I don't think they do. But either way, this packaging is beautiful, man. Thanks for watching. Bye.